everyone, I'm Mark Sievers, and today I'm going to show you how to make my very naughty salt and pepper blue cheese potato chips. So these are from my cookbook, Table for Two, and I love making this hors d'oeuvre to serve with drinks. It's quick, it's simple, everything comes from one grocery store, and you just need a pan. So let me show you exactly what I have going on over here. So here I have a cast iron skillet. You can use any oven-proof dish. You want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And these are just store-bought salt and pepper potato chips. I like the ridged ones or the kettle-cooked ones, something that has great flavor, great texture, and really has a peppery bite to it. And then to this, I'm going to add some beautiful Stilton cheese. Stilton is one of my favorite blue cheeses, very pungent, very delicious, and I think perfect with potato chips. I mean, I don't know very many things that wouldn't go with potato chips. So this is what I love to do. I put down a layer of potato chips, little crumbly layer of some Stilton, and then to that I'm going to add a little bit of chives, some freshly chopped chives. Chives are going to give it a little oniony thing, which I think is great on this. Also adds a little bit of green, so makes it look healthy, I guess, right? I mean, green, healthy. All these measurements are available at marcsievers.com, so sit back, relax, enjoy. Don't bother writing things down because I've got you covered. Then I'm going to put on a little fresh lemon zest. I like to grate the lemon zest right over the potato chips and cheese because all of the essential oils are going to end up into the dish instead of onto your cutting board or countertop. So this adds great flavor. Then I'm going to put on another layer of potato chips. The great thing about this is you can make this to serve any size crowd you want. This recipe is, for two people to have a little nibble, maybe sit outside, enjoy a Friday night or a Monday night, whatever it is you want. And then we're going to put on a little bit more Stilton cheese here. Put on a tiny bit more. That way there, we're not getting all of the yummy goodness just on the top layer. We're really getting this into the whole of the dish. And then I'm going to put this into the oven at 400 degrees for a few minutes, just until the cheese gets nice and browned and bubbly. But luckily, I have one already finished for us. So chips are nice and brown, the cheese is melted, and then I'm just going to add some more freshly chopped chives to the top. This is going to make sure that every chip has a beautiful garnish of chives, and then of course we're going to put on a little bit more lemon zest right over the top, and you can really smell the lemon zest when it hits the warm chips and cheese, which is so delicious and just adds a nice little lemony zing to this, which is really fantastic with a glass of wine or a cocktail or whatever you want. Et voila, salt and pepper potato chips with Stilton. So I hope you like this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and head over to marcsievers.com where you can get the full written recipe and learn more about my cookbook, Table for Two. Until next time, I'm Mark Sievers. See you later. I think I have some chips to eat. That looks like a good one. That was a great one. Bye, guys.